Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 904 C, and C stands for coronavirus variant. I am delivering this lecture because some of my colleagues, my friends, relatives, they requested about my view about third wave of coronavirus, especially in India. They ask, what is the possibility? Let me tell you very clearly, in one word, in one sentence, there is always the possibility of third wave, fourth wave. It may continue. It is a type of modification. It is a type of change. It is a type of mutation, stereochemistry, and all these living organisms, they follow this change, this modification. It's not only in the case of virus, bacteria, even human beings to us. And this mutation means change in the genetic code, genetic material. And I have already delivered almost 20 lectures on the chemistry of coronavirus. I have already discussed thoroughly the genetic material of coronavirus, that is RNA, single strand. And this virus is not living organism. It needs host. Host means human being, us. So in January 2020, actually the coronavirus disease is called COVID-19. So the COVID-19 was identified in the year 19. That's why it is called COVID-19 disease, that there is one virus, and because of that virus, many people are dying in Wuhan city. And they mentioned in 2020 that one is animal, that is, they mentioned bat, chamgada, and other one is human being. And from that place it started with one strain, and that one I have already given you what we started. That was in January in Wuhan, and that code was given Wuhan, China mutant. That was in 2020. It is given globally, very important. This is your DG D614G. Remember it. The first coronavirus which got the human as a host, the genetic code was identified, that Wuhan coronavirus, China, was D614G. D stands for aspartic acid. G stands for glycine, that is a type of amino acid, and we are living organisms. We need 20 type of amino acids, and these amino acids, they are hooked together in millions, and they form polymer, and that polymer is called polypeptide with the help of that is peptide bond, CONH, and that is called protein. And protein chemistry, the stereochemistry of protein is very complex, very complex. Stereochemistry, mutation, genetic mutation, different variants, millions of variants. So that one was there, and it started sparking globally. Everywhere it was there. And how it went, you know that the first coronavirus, I am showing here this material which contains single strand RNA genetic material. That one is not living. It needs host, good host, living host, like us human being, and it will kidnap our, I call it kidnap our normal cell. And how it will kidnap? It is having this coronavirus is having, that is spike protein. Spike means this type of coronavirus is having this type of spike, and here our normal cell is having this type of fitting. So it is just like lock and key is fit with our normal cell, and once it is entered inside, then it will dictate our normal cell to produce thousands of I call it photocopy, to replicate. And then the host who has got, he is carrier now, and this carrier, if he is inside house, nobody will notice that already he is infected with coronavirus. Inside body multiplication is going on, replication is going on, and he is moving everywhere. If he is coming in touch of 100 people, 100 people will get, they will not know in the beginning how it sparked. So it multiplied in millions and globally it became pandemic. Then after that, they realized that once it has gone to different environment, different climatic conditions, somewhere it is very cold, somewhere it is very hot, somewhere it is very dusty. That is environmental factor. So with that environmental factor, this coronavirus first strain, that is D614G of Wuhan, China, started mutating. And once I say mutation, always mutation is of two types. One is good, one is bad. Good one is for virus, will make it more efficient. So that's why different mutants are coming. Bad one for viruses, that may even destroy and damage the virus, that is bad. The same way I am giving you the example. Every human being on this earth is having cancer cell because of mutation in our body. The same type of mutation, what it is happening here. And with that mutation, good and bad cells are produced. So good ones are taking care of our digestive system, our respiratory system, our blood circulation, maybe will become more efficient. But the bad type is a cancer cells. And when that cancer cell is produced, it's because of the bad mutation in our body, human being. And our surveillance, that is called, body surveillance, immune system, immune surveillance is very strong. And those immune surveillance cells, they will recognize that one different type of cell is there. It is enemy, it's not from us, and they will damage, they will destroy. In case, if they are not destroyed, then those mutated bad cell, because of bad mutation in our body, will start producing millions the cancer cells. So if anybody who is having cancer, one sentence, it means his immune system is failing or failed. Anybody who is having COVID-19 disease means his immune surveillance or body immune system is weak or failing. That's why those bad mutants, they are not being recognized by the security surveillance. And this is just like lock and key. So with what is new variant? New variant means they want to become more efficient. First time, I call it just like thief. One thief has come and opened my lock. It has entered in our house. So it has done all those lot of security people they could not face, and secretly he started multiplying and looted everything, kidnapped, and it has done. After that, we became careful. We went for some medicine, we went for some vaccine, we went for chemotherapy. So now they want more efficiency. So they are mutating. They are coming with different variant to become more efficient, so that they will go and change their key. That no, the old key is no more now effective. Let us go some different type of keys. They will come with very efficient key. That is called new variant. So new variant started, and that new variant were given the name like the same genetic code number 614, 117, and 736, and T617. Big names are there. So it was very difficult to understand. Then people started calling. It is Brazilian variant. It is South African variant. It is Nigerian variant. It is Indian variant. it is UK variant. So people approached WHO, World Health Organization, that the country should not be there. Because if country should have been there, the China's name would have been on top. Because first variant started, that is your D614G, was from China. And there is no more China's name. Everywhere now today, for example, because of Delta variant, everywhere Indian variant. Indian coronavirus variant is very dangerous, very fatal, very efficient in killing millions and thousands. So they approached. So, and because of that reason, aviation industry is grounded, lot of business is grounded, international community is very much demoralized, and in and out is not there. Lot of activities are standstill, social distancing, isolation, depression, anxiety. I mean, totally the whole country and continent is dehumanized, demoralized. So they approached WHO that this is not the way. Please give some name. So from very beginning, the Greek names are given for different things, like we call omega-3 fatty acid, nowadays very popular anti-inflammatory. So the omega fatty acid is actually linoleic acid. So they gave the Greek name, that is alpha. Alpha, they gave one carbon name. Then that is your 3 fatty acid. That is omega. 3 fatty acid. Omega is one carbon. 3 means carbon 3, there is double bond. It is called omega-3 fatty acid. If there is double bond at 6 carbon, it is called omega-6 fatty acid. So in the same way, they came with Greek word and they started saying that alpha variant, beta variant, gamma variant. And today in India, the variant which is very active and killing and infecting millions, that is called delta and kappa variant. But kappa variant is not that much efficient, is not there. Delta variant is actually very efficient, and that delta variant is having two. One is delta variant and other has started coming, that is known as delta positive variant. And this delta variant is still, it is under investigation. The thing is that what vaccine we have, AstraZeneca, Pfizer, Covishield, and all these vaccines, they are targeting alpha, beta, these variants of the coronavirus. And in the beginning, in India and many places, the first vaccination was given and they gave the time 28 days. So that time duration was not enough, because within that 28 days time, only you are covered with 50%, 50 to 60%. Unless it is given 3 months time, 90 days, only then it will cover up to 90%. But the different vaccines, their range is different. Someone is covering 88%, someone is covering 90%. So in these circumstances, get ready for third wave. Third wave may start from October 2021, and as usual it goes up to May, June. But as per long history of virus, like in that is 19, 19 and 20, 21, it went for 3 years, that is called Spanish flu. Was also having 3 phases, first, second and third. First was moderate, not many casualties. Second was very much dangerous, lot of casualties. And third one was mild. And mind it, at that time we were not having such efficient vaccination. Today, we have vaccines. Different companies are producing, and we are getting. And by November, I believe that in India, more than 50% will be vaccinated. And once 60-70% are vaccinated, at least it will give herd immunity coverage. So those who are having 2 vaccinations, I mean 2 doses are completed, they are very much covered. 100% guaranteed we cannot say, because it is mutating. And for next one, Delta plus variant. Nobody can say anything because it is all still trial is going on. Nothing is guaranteed. We can say that we are well protected. Our immune system response will be more, and for third wave, 2-3 things are positive from Indian perspective. First is that we have got the experience. Many people they died because of deficiency of oxygen, mismanagement of oxygen that is overtaken. We were not having enough bed, enough infrastructure to face the situation. It has been created. We have, and a lot of people are vaccinated, and lot of people are aware of this tragedy. So they are extra careful. They are themselves maintaining their discipline to have social distancing, physical distancing, hygienic condition. So I understand that third wave will not be that much effective like second wave. And now people are saying lot of things that I want to clear. That third wave is for children. It's not like that. Children can get, but the casualties will not be there because their immune system is quite strong, and this coronavirus spike protein is not that much efficient to penetrate with children trachea, and there's that much feeding protein is not advanced there. So children will not be having much impact of third wave, and you should not worry. And biotech, I think I have gone through one literature. The Indian biotech, they have started, they are going to start to manufacture the vaccine for children below the age of 10, 12 or 9. So that is also one possibility. So my understanding as a chemist, medicinal chemist, and knowing protein molecule very well and their stereochemistry and mutation, the third wave possibility is there, will be there, we should be ready, but with time it will be weak. Why I say, it's not today's history. Coronavirus is not new virus. It was identified in 1960s that it is having crown-like once it was seen in electronic microscope, and from that time it is called coronavirus. And that genetic code I have already told you that was published in January 20 in China, and that has got lot of different mutation in millions. But this mutation, again I am repeating, is having two types, bad type and good type. For good type, more efficient, the human beings are also more efficient. That's why I used to say, we are more intelligent, we human beings. We should not commit suicide. We should allow these microorganisms, this virus, to commit suicide, that's all. With our high-tech, new-tech, with modern vaccine, with DNA vaccine, so it will go. And with time, I am sure that bad mutation will destroy by itself its cycle. So a third wave will, I consider, will be very, very weak. But we cannot rule out, still all these techniques, all the research, vaccination is all human trial. And for any vaccination to establish with all experimental data, it needs years, 4, 5, 6, 10 years. So it will take years, but our scientists, our chemists, they are spending sleepless night to understand its different mutation. So here are some more points I want to clear here. Number one, hybrid variant. Now in India, it is having hybrid variant. Hybrid variant means I have already told you that Indian variant is given in Greek term. It is called delta. Alpha, beta, gamma, kappa, delta. So this delta is having hybrid delta and delta plus. So that hybrid may be will be efficient for the inflammation of the children body and throat. So at that time we should be careful and to check if there is any inflammation. We should consult our physician, and physician will supervise. So we should not allow any type of inflammation in children, because that may be more efficient. Because overall, what is the role of this virus? Once we are infected, actually cytokine storm is there. Our lung, our bodies, there is a storm of inflammation. If inflammation is controlled, our problem is over. So that is the main issue of how to control the inflammation. Most of the casualties death because of cytokine storm, inflammation, and our fighting forces, we call them antibodies, WBC, all these cells which are responsible for security surveillance, they could not match such type of andhi, you can call, storm. So that is main issue. So, and delta variant is now found in India, UK and Vietnam. Is nowadays today, people have started discovering that 3 countries, they are having this delta variant. One is India, other one is UK, and third one is Vietnam. But of course in India it is well known that lot of casualties are there because of new variant that is called delta variant. We are not calling Indian variant because now it is WHO, World Health Organization, has given Greek terminology, alpha, beta, delta, kappa, like that. Number 2, delta variant will be 3 times more efficient. That's why I am saying that mutation means, whether it is human being, whether it is microorganisms, they are mutating in 2 ways. For virus to be good means to be more efficient. How to enter to our normal cell and to multiply, to replicate, to quickly to produce millions of photocopies of the same genetic material, same genetic code, that is the RNA of virus. That I call the kidnapping of our normal cell. So that will be 3 times more efficient as compared to alpha and beta variant. So it will be more dangerous in terms of infection, more sparking, and as compared to alpha and beta variant. Number 3, spike protein. That is spike, actually this arrow I am showing, this will become very sharp and more efficient, so it will be very efficient to fit as a lock and key and to enter in the normal cell of our trachea or lung. So that will be more sharp and efficient to enter in normal human cells for delta plus variant. And then number 4 is antibody security can protect. If we have good surveillance, I call it antibody surveillance, means good immune system. You keep on very good immune chemotherapy like vitamin D, vitamin C, citrus fruits, colored vegetable, so that your immune system is strong, it can fight. If your immune system surveillance is good. If it is not good, then definitely there is chance of infection. Number 5, vaccination is the best option at the moment. Once vaccination is done, we have taken 2 doses, at least 90% we are covered from alpha and beta, and of course we have enough antibodies to fight delta variant also. And even if we are getting infection, it will be not disastrous, it will be mild. So please get 2 doses of vaccine. Vaccination is the best option. It will provide the herd immunity, and once 70-80% are vaccinated, automatically cycle will break, and also the bad mutant will also damage the protein of this virus. And fifth, that is option to protect from third wave, possibilities of Delta variant of coronavirus. So this is what about the third wave of coronavirus. And don't believe in rumor. Anything which is not supported with scientific or experimental data, statistical data, which is not quantified, I call it scientific gossip, electronic gossip, print media gossip. Many people are saying that it may cause some other thing. People are becoming magnetic. But we are already magnetic. In our body there is electron. Electron is moving. So there is some statistical force is already produced. So what is there? If suppose somebody is putting some magnet, and if it is showing magnetism, the whole planet is magnet. So we should not believe in all those things. And some are saying that our brain and our genetic code, everything will be damaged. Please just follow your scientists. Those what they are saying, they are sincere. Sincerely, vaccine is there to protect you from different variants of coronavirus. My good wishes to all of you. This is my chemistry and scientific knowledge. I share to make it very clear about the third wave of coronavirus. There is every possibility, and I have already told you in detail all the possibilities about the third wave. Get ready, but third wave will not be that much dangerous because of our preparation, because of our vaccination, because of our infrastructure, because of our manpower. We are all ready now to face the third phase. Once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.